What it do, YouTube fans? Your boy FLA back again. Back with another video, man. This is going to be another quick little install video. Been on the fence about doing this for a minute, man. I wasn't too sure if I was even going to buy it, but I said, fuck it. They usually go for about $180, $170 on Amazon. But then my homeboy, I linked up with him this past weekend in Orlando for that Power Wars or whatever it was called. And he sent me a link for it on eBay, and eBay had it for $130, man. So, you know, I had to get it. You know what I'm saying? It's $130. And I think it's definitely going to look good on the car. So I went with that. I'll have a link in the description below where you can order the same thing. And yeah, so I'm gonna show you the install. It's pretty easy install, but yeah, let me show you what I'm talking about. All right, as you see, carbon fiber rear diffuser, man. You already know, follow the theme that I'm carrying throughout the car, which is carbon fiber all over. So, you know, I've been looking at this one on Amazon. It was like $179.99 for a minute. I just wasn't too sure if I even wanted to get it or not. But my homeboy sent me this link on eBay, $130. Can't beat it. And, you know, I've already looked over it, man. Pretty good quality, man. Like, what's it called? No imperfections or nothing like that. I had ordered a carbon fiber spoiler I was going to put on the car. And I got that maybe a couple days ago, and it had a big ass like scratch or crack on the backside of the spoiler, very visible, you know, on the outside. So I had to return that, man, and it was the last one they had in stock. You know, go figure. So we'll see if Amazon carries that back, and I'll probably get that and, you know, put a carbon fiber spoiler on there. But I guess this will have to do for now. You know, like I said, quality looks pretty damn good. $130. You know I'm gonna drill out this hole right here so I can put the push pin in it. So we'll get to that here in a second. But yeah, let's get it. Alright, this is basically underneath the car, man. It's pretty simple, man. All it is this push pin right here on the sides, on the, you know, farthest edges. Like I said, I'm going to drill a hole the size of the push pin so the push pin can go back in there, you know, very factory. And you got these little hex screws or bolts. Let me see. There's 4 of them back here, and then another push pin. And that's it. Take those out, and then it's got like, I think, I want to say like 10 tabs. There's like one right here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Along there's these tabs. You know, since I'm taking this out and replacing it, I don't really care too much about them tabs. If I rip one, I rip one, but we'll see. And that's it, man. You poke out them tabs, like wiggle them through, and push the diffuser out and pop the new one back in, man. It's very simple install. So let me start taking these bolts out, and we'll go from there. Yeah. Alright, as you see, I got it off. Man, it's 4 screws and 2 push pins. Really the best way is, I don't know, man. I just started pulling from here and started pulling them out slowly, like going down that way, and they just came right off, man. Literally 30 seconds. So that's about it. I'm about to measure these holes right here so I can drill on the new one, and I can push the push pin in there, and then, you know, make sure these are accurate, drill these right, put it on there, drill the holes, and that's it, man. Pretty easy install. You already know, step by step. There you go. I got it off. What's it called? As you see, it fits even with the 5-inch temps. There's a clearance, so we'll see if any issues arise down the road. But what I will say is, when you're putting it in, start the same way, either on one side and work your way to the other. And then be careful with them tabs, man, because some of them you had to put, you know, a decent amount of pressure on to get it in there. And you break too many of them tabs off, because it definitely don't come with as many tabs as the stock one. You see how the stock one, there's some like, this one came with like 6 or 8 total, I would say. Maybe like 2 here and then 2 here and then, yeah, like 8. So it's definitely less tabs than the stock one, so just be careful. I'm gonna tie everything down now, drill my holes and, you know, bolt it down and all that. And then hopefully pull up to the gas station or something, get a little finished product for y'all. Yeah. Rear diffuser, carbon fiber, done. Another one. Let's get it. Alright, let's see what these gas station lights do. Another car a little dirty, but you get the picture. Man, after I looked at it, it was a little bit tight right here, so what I did, man, I just pushed on it like a little, gave it a little nudge. Now I definitely got to clear it all the way around. Everything good. But yeah, we'll have some daytime footage here in the morning. Finish this video off. And there you go, man. Pulled up over here back at the gas station just so y'all can get a little view during the daytime. There you see it. That bit wet. You know the car dirty as hell, but yeah, stick around, man. I got a lot of stuff coming. You don't want to miss the next video. Put a roar pedal on the 392 and put it through all the tests. You already know that's dropping next. Stick around. First time on the channel, hit that subscribe, like, comment, share, all that. I do this. I'm out here. I'll let your boy out. Yeah, you see it? F you. I be just riding on sport mode 1.